Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to withdraw on Bet365. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now, let's get started. But first of all, you have to go to your web browser. Then, on the search bar, type in bet365.com. Once you type it in, you'll get to this website. Once you get to this website, you'll have to click on this login button and log into your account. So, enter your credentials on this box and then click on login. Once you have done so, you'll be logged into your account. Now, click on your profile at the top right corner. Now, from this menu, click on this bank icon. Then, it will take you to this page. Now, you will see this option withdraw. Click on it. Then, it will show your bank details like your account number and expiry date. Then, you'll also get a box where you can enter the amount that you want to withdraw. Once you enter the amount, on the next box, you'll have to enter your account's password. And once you do that, click on the withdraw button, and the amount that you have entered will be withdrawn into your account. So, this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.